What's up, everybody? It's Jersey Jones. Freestyling part two. No instruments, no beats, no nothing. Just me doing what I do. So, listen up. Yes, sir, Jersey Jones. Let it be known. Hoes ain't shit. They just stay on my dick. Swallowing spit. I'ma admit I'm coming at these whack ass bitches like 3D shit. Got that super shine all in your face. Jersey Jones getting it in. Better yet, I'm trying to fuck your friend. What's his name again? Hey, see what I mean? Flow so sick and crazy, nah I mean? My bitches got it on lock non-stop. Game over, turn yourself in. It's time to quit. We done told y'all whack ass bitches y'all ain't shit. I'm so through with it. Any nigga want a battle, come through with your best. Best believe I'm bringing the heat. It's Jersey Jones, bitch, and you can't compete. I mean, no homo. This is all how I do it, and that's just what it is. Jersey Jones, hit me up.